Welcome to the chapter 4. Today we are going to learn try catch. I'll show you the need of try catch. Okay. We know that last class is test case verification. It has passed. Think about the situation that I am giving a wrong CSS selector. I'll type it as wrong. Now I'm going to run this test case. Definitely there is no CSS selector such as S2W wrong, so it cannot return any text, and which will, in that sense, this test case will fail. Okay. Look at this scenario. This test case has basically failed, and you can see the test case failed here in a red color. But we may not know the real reason why it got failed. For that, we need to go here and find out no such element CSS selector H2 is wrong. But this way you won't be able to really get the reason why it got failed. So if I have, let's say, thousands of test cases, you cannot keep on doing this way. Instead, the best way of doing is you have to use a try catch. You try it, the following code. If it doesn't try, you catch on the catch part and throw the exceptions, and which will throw a message. I'll show you how to do that one. Okay, I'm going to write try catch. Yeah, try. You can see that catch is already there. Then I'll type exception. Exception name is E. Always you should have semicolon parenthesis start and close here, just like this. So I'm going to copy the whole thing and paste it here. Okay. So I'm going to try navigate this and log in and also verification and clear the driver. But in case if it's fail, definitely in this case it's going to fail this line number 27. So when it fails, that will go to the catch and throw the exception. In the catch, I'll be writing here debug. Debug is not available. So one way you can do is type debug dot write line error, test case failed. So you see here mouse hover over, it will give it show potential. So that's because you're not using the diagnostic. So when you click onto that, okay, there's an error here because it's because you see I put a small letter here, that's why it's thrown in an error right now. So whatever I typed here earlier, it is captured automatically system.diagnostic. In other sense, if you comment it out, you will see an error here. See? So this debug.writeLine will work only when you using system.diagnostics. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to run this test case. Okay, in this case, you can see test case passed. It looks like it's passed, but definitely it should fail, right? You see, what's happening here is it captured the exception and did not execute this line. So driver did not close. Okay, I'll put a breakpoint here to make you understand the stuff much easier. Okay, will you see that? Definitely there is no such CSS selector like S2 wrong, because it's a wrong CSS selector. I'm going to press F10. So when you put F10, what will happen? It will go to the catch and it just executed, and that's all. But did you see that this is not closed? So what I should be doing, I should be closing this browser, then write the debug, and it should also show the test case failed, right? Right now it shows a fake impression that it's passed, but basically it is failed. So what I should be doing here, you have to come over here, you have to do the driver.kit in the exception. So it will quit the driver and it report the debug. Did you see earlier that debug it shows, okay, it shows test case failed here, but it shows passed in the test outcome. That's what I said, it's giving you a wrong impression. So here what I should do is quit the browser, then report why it is failed, test case failed. Then you should try driver.find element by dot some ID so here I'm going to click a junk ID forcefully to make you get the exact impression that this test case has failed, because once it's go to the catch, definitely there is an error. So I must click onto this driver.file into junk ID. There's nothing, you can type whatever you want inside. I just put for time being junk ID. So when you click on the junk ID, it will show test case failed and it will give you an ID. So I'm going to run this test again. This time what I am expecting is it will break at the line number 28 and show you a failed test cases with the debug error report and a red indication in the test explorer stating that test cases failed, and driver quit also. So it's perfectly, there is no driver extra, you see, like unlike earlier there is no driver popped up, driver is already. Now click again, close, click onto the output. Now you see test case failed. Okay, so as you know, when you go to the click onto the output here, you can see the test case failed. You can also write some meaningful text mentioning that why it is failed. We'll talk about more reasons for failing in the next classes, next chapters. And thank you for watching our video. Hit the subscribe button for more videos. Thank you.